Texan Global School. Midpoint of a line segment. In this class, the process for calculating the coordinate of the midpoint of a line given 2 points on the Cartesian plane is discussed, starting from any two given points that define a line in the plane. We will derive from the formula to divide a line given a ratio. For the line to be divided into two equal parts, the ratio must be 1. By substituting r equal to 1 in the formulas derived from previous classes, results in the formulas to find the coordinate of the midpoint. x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Similarly, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Let's see a first example. We will find the midpoint that divides the line defined by the endpoints p1 with coordinates 3, 2, and the point p subscript 2 with coordinates -3, -2. First, plot the points in the plane. Now calculate the abscissa of the point that divides the line, substituting x1 equal with 3 and x2 as -3. Repeat the process, but now to find the ordinate. Substitute y1 equal with 2, y2 equal with -2. Hence, the midpoint of coordinates 0, 0. By graphing the point, we can see that it divides the line in half, in this case, at the origin. In this other example, find the midpoint that divides the line defined by the endpoints p1 with coordinates -1, 1, and the point p subscript 2 with coordinates 1, -2. First, plot the points on the plane. Now calculate the abscissa of the point that divides the line, substituting x equal 1 with -1 and x2 equals 1. We repeat the process, but now to obtain the ordinate. Substitute y1 equal with 1, y2 the as -2. Then, obtain the midpoint of coordinates 0, -1/2. By graphing the point, we can see that it divides the given line into two equal parts. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com